Okay, let's. Okay. Oh. Nag-back to school na rin ba kayo? Back to school na rin kayo dyan sa Pilipinas, no? Wow. Oh, wow. That's a good idea. Wow. Oh, let's go outside, Gilana. Let's go get the sun. Let's go get some sun. Ayun. Diyos me, pumasok pa ako. Kaka-opera lang. Ayun, pag nawala ako ng signal, babalik din ang signal. Diyan lang kayo. Sunduin natin yung kambal. Sa school bus. Ayun, nilalabas yung mga four-wheeler. Let's go see. Maybe, Jelana, next time you can drive the small four-wheeler so Daddy can drive the big four-wheeler.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yes.
You only a little bit of what?
No, you can drive the four-wheeler easily.
No, I have to try to go with it today.
You can drive now. Dylan, come now. Okay, come on.
Oh, don't lose that one. Oh, it turned out, man, we need
I know.
We need a whole month of this.
No,
stuff.
you cannot sit there. Sit there in the
Rains
middle.
are coming.
No, 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 no. No. Okay.
Jewel, that's
Okay.
Can you notice the tint on the windows?
Huh?
The tint on my windows, same as the back.
Oh, really?
I'll show you the light. He really did a pretty nice job.
Oh, okay.
He does a good job. Like you can't even tell it's there. Because I was worried it's going to stick out. You can't wash your car and all that. It's just tucked in there.
Okay, go outside.
Oh, here, let me park it first.
Okay, Daddy park nicely.
Oh, Dad, no. No, dude, whoa.
Oh, there's.
Park. I think this is a good parking, just like that, so we know.
Just like that. That's
Yeah,
what I do.
Jelana, let's go.
Let's see here.
Oh.